Google Ads is one of the most effective online advertising to reach millions of customers across the globe. There are several types of Google Ads campaigns to choose from depending on your business goals. These ads appear at the top or bottom of Google search results when users search for specific keywords. Display ads are visual banners or text ads that appear on Google Display, which includes millions of blogs and apps. These ads appear on YouTube or across the Google Display network. Shopping ads show product images, prices, and store information directly in search results. App campaigns promote mobile apps across Google Search, Play Store, YouTube, and Google Display Network. Google Ads allows businesses to refine their targeting options to reach specific audiences. To get the most out of Google Ads, businesses need to create compelling, high-quality ads. Subscribe for more details.